We are Xenial. We're a part of Global Payments, and we make technology and hardware, both hardware and software, for the enterprise restaurant space. We serve 19 of the top 25 enterprise restaurant brands throughout the world. Yeah, so we're here at MURTEC featuring two products, the first of which is our back office product. We wanted to come to MURTEC and relaunch it because we finished a pretty large piece of investment, modernizing it and bringing it to the cloud. We think that it's best in class as far as back office products go, and so that's one of the reasons we're here. We are also featuring our drive-through vision product, which is timing related to drive-through using cameras and tracking the cars throughout the life cycle of their experience in the drive-through. So these are two key investment areas for us where we brought new products to market or relaunched products in ways we think that are going to be meaningful to operators, and we wanted to make sure we got the word out there. In addition, we obviously brought our own POS systems here, and our other products are on display, including our kiosks. But those are the two large reasons that we're here this year. So there are a number of challenges that restaurants are facing today, and since we make a lot of different products, there's not just one area where I think the answer to what is most important to customers is meaningful. And so when you think about point of sale, speed of service, order accuracy, those elements are key, but also integrations and so forth. And when you think about these products particularly that we're highlighting here, back office and drive-through timing, back office has had a number of new challenges that are related to fair work week laws and labor rules. And so just as an example, one of the key features we brought to market is the ability for us to track all those fair work week laws in all the various municipalities you might work in, and actually work directly with the municipalities themselves with our legal team to define those rules and bring them into our product so that you can be compliant without necessarily having to keep track of all of your local labor rules. So again, a lot of different parts of our business touch different pieces of the puzzle. As you think about drive-through timing and some of the features we're bringing to market here, we have the ability to track cars before they get to the menu board and see the stack size. We also have the ability to understand if a car drives off, or if you use an escape lane and Y lane merges and so forth. The camera gives us a lot of flexibility and understanding of what's going on. And we're bringing that to our other products, kind of tying all these parts and pieces together in a very integrated experience. And I think that's a meaningful level up as far as what customers are actually doing out there today. So for us, we're always on the lookout for new technologies. Some examples, like I mentioned, we brought here today, but we're also obviously watching the voice recognition space closely. We make hardware in that space, and we partner with several companies who are making software in that area while we are also making that investment. We do know that that's an area where key investments are being made, and we're constantly watching it. I think other areas we're paying very close attention to is the adoption of Android across the enterprise marketplace versus what was historically a Windows-driven environment. Anything computer vision related is another example where, again, we're watching very closely what's going on when you think about kitchen automation and how to stitch some of these parts and pieces together into a holistic story. We're trying to look for places where either we can build or acquire technology that's accretive to the overall experience. And again, we look to try and integrate those into our ecosystem so that you're not just buying one product from us, but you're buying a set or an operating system that will run the restaurant. And as you plug in other pieces of our technology, enhance and enrich the experience, both for the guests as well as the operators and the staff. That's a good question. I usually come to MURTEC usually only for a day or so. I typically come here to talk with our customers, and it's a good place to see kind of everyone all at once. This year I chose to attend, and I haven't done that, but I was really interested to see what everyone is looking at and doing. I think it's a good place to get a pulse check on what the market is actually out there looking for, and making sure that we're building solutions that people really want and need.